Hello everyone, this is going to be a very similar video to the Sony WEGA test, except I'm testing with the proper amplifier. This is a vintage 1977 Technics, SA5170 amplifier. It's quite old, and it used to be pretty beat up, but it's being nursed back to health. Sounds really good as a bassy amp too. Okay, so we're going to be playing a couple requested. This was a requested song by Speaker Seeker on a kick chat. Came messed up on films, and I tested this thing for like 5 seconds, and this thing has a lot of bass. So on to the test. The review is basically my last video, but this will be a proper test. Hang on, just gotta close the door. Alright, I'm back. We should be good. Run the test. Oh, come on, phone. Wow. And by the way, if you're wondering, it's doing a lot more excursion in real life, but the camera I'm using is not too good with excursion, so on to the next song. I'll just put the camera down, facing the speaker until I'm done. Get a good glimpse at it. Oh, camera fell. Ugh, won't stop falling. Alright, let's go. Oh, by the way, the crackling sounds were coming from this amp, as it's not perfect, as you can see. It's the 100% the amp. Now an excursion test. Let's just do bass I love you. Turn it down a little. Don't want to blow this thing. This amp's 50 watts per channel, and it's only a 20 watt speaker. Oh wow, feels not good. Turn up a little. Oh crap. Yep. Amp's starting to stink, I think. Amp's not cooperating. Come on. There we go. Not bad. It's actually doing a lot more excursion in real life. Oh god. The amp's suddenly turning itself up, so I'm actually gonna have to quit the video because the amp's starting to act up, but you get the point. It's a pretty good excursion monster, especially for only being a TV speaker. Huh, when it's still plugged in, it still makes sound. May as well unplug that. Oh, by the way, it is vacuum style. It's from the 1970s, so it's still making noises. That might be the speaker. Oh, no more electronic pulse. Hold on, gotta disconnect the wire. Use the wires, by the way. Oh, and by the way, I don't think you guys gotten to see the back of this thing, but yeah, here it is. They actually got the magnetic shielding on this thing, which the TV it came out of really wasn't necessary since it was a projection TV, but it's what Sony wanted to do. So here's the numbers: 1544-89321. 0837, that might be a serial number. Here, there's a number. It says Hi 4232. Now, the TV that came out of this, it said SRS Surround, but there was only just 2 of these. That's all I could find. They came in these little MDF enclosures, but you could not take them out. They were built into the TV. They had they were weird. They had like a little small, like millimeter wide black port, and in the inside of this little box had insulation and a big tube, like long tube. I'm pretty sure I could tell the amp was turning itself up because the speaker was actually starting to bottom out. Although it seemed to getting louder on its own, and it is a metal basket. Pretty good, if you ask me. Anyway, that's it for this video, and almost forgot. Shout out to Davon Baines. He has subscribed to this channel, and he wanted me to do this. He goes to my school. But anyway, thanks for watching.